Whoa, it has been a hot second. There's been a lot going on recently. I know that I haven't been on YouTube in a while. There was just a lot going on in October, November with the election and Halloween and all sorts of other things. I've also been working on something that's kind of like a secret project. I hate that term, but I am working on something on my own time that's been very time consuming and also very exciting. So I'm sorry that I haven't been here in a while. It's been a sec. But today is a very exciting day because today is the day that we decorate my Christmas tree. And I'm so excited. My mom is coming in and I definitely need her help and her expertise. Christmas is my favorite time of year. In my family, we go all out. I'm gonna insert some photos of my grandma's tree at her house down in Dallas. And she goes hard every single year. And I've kind of taken that on myself. I am obsessed with Christmas. November 1st, I start playing Christmas music. Watch The Family Stone, The Holiday, Grinch, Christmas Story, pretty much on repeat until the new year. And yeah, it's my favorite time of year. And I need my mama's help to decorate my tree because as much as I love the holidays, I'm not incredibly skilled at bow work. So my mom's gonna be helping me with my ribbons and my bow. And yeah, we're just gonna get the tree up and running. I got all of my stuff from a bunch of different places. Etsy, eBay, Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. I went all over the place to kind of curate my perfect tree. So yeah, I'm excited to get going. I'm gonna go pick up my mom in about 20 minutes and then we'll be back here and we'll get started on the tree. This is all of my stuff for the tree. Pretty much everything. So I got these adorable vintage shiny bright, these pink girls, these black and white, some more pink. As you can see, the theme of the tree is black and white with blush and metallics. I actually made these ornaments. They're silver and blush glitter DIY project that I did. And my whole apartment theme is pretty much black and white and blush, as you can see, so the tree is gonna reflect that as well. I ordered a tree skirt from Target and it's supposed to be like a natural beige color and white reversible, and they sent me the wrong color. So I'm actually gonna run to Target today and exchange my tree skirt. Here's my little tree that's in the corner. Some of the lights are out, so I bought a new strand of lights. My mom's gonna help me put those on when she gets here. And yeah, but this is pretty much the idea. Black, white, blush, and of course a chess set because my boyfriend and I just binged the Queen's Gambit and now we can't stop playing chess. Like I said, the holidays are our favorite time of year, me and mama. In honor of that, I made a picture of Holiday Sangria, which is one of the best cocktails of all time. I think I'll make a video actually in the next couple of days before Thanksgiving to show you how to make this sangria. But for today, it's all about that tree, baby.
I gotta put some lips on and fluff up my hair if you're gonna be doing that.
Do you want to introduce yourself? Okay, mommy. Do you want to teach us how to decorate a tree today? You just asked, what did you just ask?
Do you need a tutorial on how to decorate a tree?
I mean, I don't want to say you're a professional, but how many trees have you decorated this holiday season alone?
Decorated only 4.
Only 4?
Yes.
And then this is the 5th, but you've put lights on how many?
Oh my gosh. Well, they're mostly pre-lighted.
Pre-lighted?
I mean, the good
Pre-lit.
fake ones are the good fake ones are pre-lit.
I have a patch out here, so I summoned her to come here today to kind of fluff out my tree and light this little area that's out. We went to Target and went a little nuts, and we were there later than we expected. It's past 5 and it's time for some sangria and tree decorating.
Turn on some Christmas music.
Yeah, it's time. So first things first, Madre. Bow. Give me like your brief history in bow making though.
I learned everything from my mom.
Yes.
So my mom.
You're not on camera.
I want to be on camera.
But over here.
My mom took a bow decorating class many years ago at some fancy store and
How
learned
is
how
that
to
a
make.
class? I don't think that's a class anymore.
I think you can probably at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something.
Interesting.
So I learned how to make bows from my mom.
Okay.
You want me to show you how?
Yes.
I'll teach you. Let's pass it down.
I'm not doing it. If I did it, it would look like it would look like a kindergartner did it if I do it. Like I'm good at hanging ornaments. That's it. Yeah.
So we're doing a big bow for the top of the tree.
That's what we're doing.
Okay. So this is wired ribbon. You can't use anything but wired ribbon to make a good bow.
Do you want your glasses so you can see it?
Maybe.
Okay, go ahead. Teach us.
This is 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon. Make a loop, that's your center. Twist, make a loop. How big a bow do you want?
Big.
No, it can't be too
Medium,
crazy.
medium.
You have to make sure the loops are equal
length.
Uh-huh.
Got it.
And then twist, loop again. Again, checking the length. And then you go twist, another loop.
But what do you tie it with? You tie it on itself? Don't you need like a little wire or something to keep it all together?
Yeah, actually I have some wire that I bought. Go in my big suitcase and find pipe cleaners or the wire and the wire cutters.
Cute.
Do you like 4 loops or you want 5 loops?
I think 5. What's this is 5?
This is 4.
Yeah, one more.
I don't like even numbers. Even numbers bad.
I can't even get the pipe cleaner out of the package. She expects me to make a bow. Well, it looks crazy on that one side.
Well, I have to fluff it. I'm not done with it yet. I'm just gonna put a pipe cleaner through the middle. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
And then that holds it all together. And just pull it as tight as you can and just twist it. And that's it. And then you gotta fluff it out because it has the wire.
Okay, let's see her.
What do you think?
Wow, that literally took you 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Ah!
You can fix it better when you're up on the top of the tree.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. That took you 5 minutes.
You can, that's all.
That's so crazy. Oh my gosh, how cute.
Okay.
How is that? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Stacia Marlowe, have you ever in your life, I mean, that is perfection.
So it looks cute. And then go a few inches and then squeeze it and then poke it in.
While mom is doing ribbon and such, what's your plan?
Well, I don't like the way that was looking. We don't have quite enough ribbons, so I'm gonna cut this other tail off.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make little loops out of the leftover ribbon so we can have ribbon all over the whole tree.
While she does that, I'm going to migrate to the couch and start putting loops and hooks on all of these little ornaments that are currently, you know, flying solo. Hey, wait, we were just talking about our plan of attack, and my mother thought she was gonna drop wisdom, not on camera. What's the wisdom you're about to drop about the order of the way that things should go?
It's lights and then garland or ribbon or both. Then you go largest ornaments to smallest ornaments.
Right.
And then picks.
Picks? Oh, like these. Yeah, they're pink glittery picks for the tree.
Or it could be a dried hydrangea or anything that you want to stick in.
So we're gonna start with the big uns. I have some balls here. Black, white, and blush is the theme.
Or if you have special ones and you want the special ones to have the prominent places. So you place your special ones in the good places facing front and then fill in.
These are definitely special. These
I
are
found them on eBay.
vintage Christopher Radko ornaments that we found on eBay. Mom found them on eBay. Because they're silver and blush and gold, which is exactly what the tree is with black
Blush
and white.
and bashful.
Blush and bashful. If you know the reference, leave a comment. Oh my god, look at her!
Let's put her right here.
All right, amigos, we're gonna start with the ornaments. Yeah, here we go.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on
This is one of my favorite ornaments this year. It's a French press. Drink my coffee out of a French press every morning, so I had to get her. She's so cute.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Finished product. The tree. Black, white, and blush. She came out pretty cute.
She's cute.
And then there's all this. So she's gonna live here in my living room. Everything is black, white, pink. That's like the whole living room, so it goes pretty well in here. And of course we've got a Christmas playlist going on. Follow me on Spotify. Shameless plug. But I'm obsessed. She looks so good. Pro tip. If you have a fake tree and you want to feel like you have a real tree, get the sticks that smell like real tree, and it'll make you feel like you have a real tree. Isn't that right?
That's right.
Okay, Mom, say goodbye to your fans, your YouTube debut.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Wow, I can't believe we got through it so quickly. Honestly, it went a lot faster than I anticipated. But that's what happens when you get a... I've had a couple of sangrias. That's what happens when you get a pro like my mom in your presence. Everything just goes so smoothly. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video to see my Christmas decor. It is my absolute favorite time of the year, and even though this year is totally whack and not what any of us had anticipated, I hope that you guys find little ways to bring some holiday spirit into your home, and it's definitely helping me feel cheerful in a time that's very uncertain and kind of depressing, but we won't really go there right now. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I will be uploading a video very soon on how to make holiday sangria before Thanksgiving. So tune in to watch that, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Happy holidays. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'll see you guys soon.